come with empty hands. No excuses, no strength left. Ibuchi onye na-eme ebere.
You are the God who shows mercy.
There are things I wish I could undo, words I wish I never said, roads I took that hurts my heart, memories inside my head. Obim juru na mute. My heart is full of sorrow. I don't feel worthy now, but still I hear your kindness calling me somehow. You don't turn away the broken, you don't shame the weak. When I run to you in pieces, you receive me. You are the God of mercy. Ibuchi onye na-eme ebere. When I should be condemned, you cover me instead. You wash away my failures, you lift my bowed down head. You are the God of mercy, and I am loved again. I have tried to hide my wounds, Lord, pretending I was fine, smiling while I carried pain buried deep inside. And I'm asking for mercy, not because I deserve, but because your love is greater than the worst in me. If your grace can find the lost one, then it can find me too. If your blood still speaks forgiveness, make me new. Oh, you are the God of mercy. Ibuchi onye na-eme ebere. When I should be condemned, you cover me instead. You heal the hidden places, you calm the fear within. You are the God of mercy, and I can breathe again.
Have mercy on me.
Have mercy on me.
Have mercy on me.
Not by my strength,
Not by my name.
bikonyere maka. Please, I lay my pride down, I lay my pain down. Only your mercy can carry me now. Ebere, 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 still reaches me, still covers me. Ibuchi onye na-eme ebere. Onye na-eme ebere.
You are the God of mercy.
Ibuchi onye na-eme ebere. No longer chained by shame, you opened up the way. Now I lift my hands in worship for the price you chose to pay. You are the God of mercy, forever I will praise. Ibuchi onye na-eme ebere. Your mercy found me, and I am free. Lord, I come with empty hands.